Here are the top COVID-19 updates for November 28th. India's COVID-19 tally rose to 93.5 lakh on Saturday after the country detected 41,322 new cases in the last 24 hours. As many as 485 deaths took India's death toll to 1.36 lakh. Of the new cases reported today, 69.04% are contributed by 8 states and union territories, including Maharashtra, Delhi, Kerala, West Bengal, and Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Ahmedabad, Pune, and Hyderabad, 3 cities where research and development of Indian COVID-19 vaccine candidates are being done, to review the progress of COVID-19 vaccine development. On the status of development of drugs and vaccines for COVID-19, the centre has told the Supreme Court that 13 clinical trials of repurposed drugs are underway and nearly 30 vaccines are being tested in the country. NCP MLA Bharat Bhalke died while undergoing treatment for post-COVID complications, a hospital official has said. Over 61.7 million people have tested positive for COVID-19 worldwide, while the death toll currently stands at well over 1.4 million. The World Health Organization's top emergency experts said it would be highly speculative for the WHO to say the coronavirus did not emerge in China, where it was first identified in a food market in December last year. Nearly all social gatherings of individuals from more than a single household will be banned in Los Angeles County for at least 3 weeks starting Monday under new restrictions local health officials unveiled on Friday. One more member of the Pakistan cricket team has tested positive for the novel coronavirus, taking the tally of infections within the touring party to 7. The Italian government will ease anti-COVID restrictions in 5 regions from Sunday, including in the country's richest and most populous region, Lombardy.